who always puts others first and likes to take care of everyone around her. Well, I thought I'd let you know it's an act, and she's not like that really. But seriously, she's my best friend, my absolute rock. I love her very much, and she looks fantastic today. And this is the second time I've managed to talk for so long without her cooking me. The first is when I asked her to marry me, and she hopped from one foot to the other with a silly smile on her face, like she drank too much vodka. She cracked me up last night. She started talking about anniversaries already. She said, next year she's going to go somewhere new, somewhere exciting, somewhere different, somewhere she's never been before. I said, you want to try the kitchen, didn't you? Anyway, before I shut up, please, could you raise your glasses to my lovely wife, Antonia.